Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to check and see what came in Birchbox for this month. If you are not familiar with Birchbox, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It's $20 a month if you do the month to month. If you go to up to 12 months, it can go down to $17 a box. I'm on the month to month. I'm still waiting to see if it's going to stay on the channel or not. I'm waiting for Birchbox to show me the value of the $20 a month for this. Up to now, it's been primarily sample sizes that are very equivalent to what I can get in Ipsy for cheaper. And you get a cute bag with Ipsy. So if we don't start getting closer to what we normally get in Allure and different ones that are around the same price range, I will probably discontinue my subscription with them. But for now, I'm kind of waiting and seeing how they do. And I'm excited to see what this month's brought us. With Birchbox, this is actually the April box. We get it in May. So I just did the choices for the May box in May that I won't get until June. I made the choices for this box in April, so it's the April box. Inside the box, we have the little squiggles and the pamphlet. Generally, the pamphlet doesn't have a lot of the product that we got in it. It does have some beauty information, so it's informative, but not necessarily helpful for the products. It only shows 4 products, and I think we only have one of these in our box based on my choices, so we'll find out for sure. The first thing I'm going to show you is a Orib packet sample. This is the conditioner. This is the Beautiful Color shampoo and conditioner packet. I generally try not to pick the packet samples because I don't like a single-use sample. I must not have been paying attention on Tuesday for this one, or else it was the only thing that was in that category that I even would use. But my sister really loves Orib. She's already told me she wants this sample when I did my choices, so this one's hers. She did use the one for blonde hair. I think came in one of the previous Birch boxes or another box. I'm not sure which one, and she loved it a lot. So this one goes to Krista. The next item is a Laritzi lipstick, and this is the item that it shows in the pamphlet. And it says, now I will say on these it doesn't give you value, it just gives you information. So this is a Laritzi cream lipstick. It's an ultra hydrating buildable lipstick. So let's see what it looks like inside. And it's in a pretty plastic tube, and it does say Laritzi on the outside as well. I'm not sure if that's in focus or not, but I'm trying. And it has, if you notice on the top, instead of popping off, it screws off. You can see the threads on there. So you unscrew the top part, and then the inside is that redwood color, and it does look like a super creamy lipstick. It's a very neutral color. I was hoping for more springy stuff. This one, if you'll see as we get into the box, there's not really spring colors in here really, so kind of wish there was more of that. But the items that we got, I think you're gonna like. So we have the Laritzi lipstick. And this is a full size, so we have at least one full size so far in one packet. The next thing, and I have 2 floss lip products. One is a lip gloss, and the other one is an opaque. So we have an opaque finish and a sheer finish lip gloss. And you can see again, the colors are super neutral, not really springy colors. These are the colors that were in there. And this one they look a little peachier in the picture. They're really just neutral brown colors. This is the opaque finish one, and these are going to be full size as well, and it's a full size tube, and it is a doe foot applicator, so it does look super neutral. It actually looks more neutral than even the box does, if you can tell in the picture or not. The box has more of a peachy tone than the actual lipstick does. I wish it was more the peachy tone of the box. But it's nice. It is just another full size. So then with this one, that's so far 3 full size. This is the sheer. And another just super neutral tone. And another doe foot. It's a really small doe foot applicator. But this one's the gloss. So full size lip glosses and lipsticks from Floss are also nice. So 3 full size products so far. And last item in here is another full size. This box came 4 full size items. This is a Wander mascara. This says it's upgraded lashes mascara from Wander, and it's sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. I don't have the need for mascara at the moment, so I'm just going to leave that one closed up until I do. But when you choose, it will tell you if you pick a full-size item, you will get 4 products in your box instead of 5. And I chose full-size items and I still got 5 products. So I'm not sure how accurate the website is. I'm not complaining about it. I think for this month, for the $20, we definitely got our money's worth. We got 4 full, I mean, if you just count the packet as worthless, as a one-time use item, these average $5 a piece, and you know they cost more than that retail. So, but these are our full-size items, our little packet single-use item, 5 items for our $20. Really great box for Birchbox, in my opinion. This is the best one yet for value and for product choices. I'm excited to show you what I picked for next month's box. This month it's got one of my favorite products in it. I'm just saying. So wait till that one comes in. If hopefully they don't swap it out for something else and run out of it, and I will show you my favorite Birchbox product of all time. But for today, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit the like button if you like this video. And for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you again for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.